y'all. So this is a fun, quick morning thing that I wanted to do. So what I'm going to be doing is you guys can see like I've gained a lot of weight, which is not fun because I've been working for the past over I've been at my new job for over a year now and it's extremely stressful and I sit at a desk all day. I haven't had time to crazy meal plan and do everything that I've always wanted to do and haven't had time or energy to go to the gym. I do try to make it to the gym and I've been going to the gym. If you guys see my past videos, I have been going to the gym trying to get some workout in and getting my life together. But I recently made a couple of purchases, which I'm excited about, and I wanted to go ahead and start truly working out again. So I've done like insane planning. I'm gonna show you guys. I have spreadsheet and everything. I'll give it to you guys. I'll put it on my website if you guys want to go check it out and use those as well. It's easy to use. Well, not easy to use. It's I'll have it on my website if you guys want to use the same template I have. I created a lot of these in Canva in Excel, so feel free to use them. I'm gonna show you guys the new treadmill that I ordered. Really not treadmill, walking pad. It's a walking pad. It's gonna be on my Amazon store. I'll have the link down below for you guys. But I also got a couple of things at Ross and everything all around. I'm going to take you guys on shopping trips with me. I don't like when there's a lot of weight on me. It doesn't feel good, and I'm not healthy by any means at this point where I want to be. So I do want to get back into losing quite a bit of weight, not like crazy amount. So I'm gonna work on losing weight. This is definitely for my health, and I'm excited about it. I went to the doctor to get a full checkup. So I'm going to show you guys some of my results. Of course, I can't show you guys everything, just a few things I want to talk about, but I'll show it to you guys and I'll just show you everything I've been doing. I do want to show you a couple of other things I got from Ross, and I don't think I've showed this. If you guys seen again in my previous videos, I've been showing you guys a couple of workout things that I've got. Sorry. I've got a couple of workout things that I have, but I got a couple of new things recently. So this is a few things that I want to use. So beside the treadmill and everything else I have, I got this ab wheel. So I've seen a lot of people use this. I'm working to get myself in a lot better shape. I got this for $6 at Ross. So that way I can go ahead and when I'm able to do my abs more, like able to do this a lot better, I'm gonna start using this and I'll show you guys my little workout with it once I'm able to use it. This will probably be about like 3 months in once I start using this, 3 months after I start doing my strict exercise routine. Now, another thing I got is I'm not usually big on doing this. This is just for more. This is for more of a health purposes that I got this is for me to keep up with my weight. I already have a scale, which I'm not too good at using that scale. I got it from Walmart. It was like $20 because I don't really know how to use it like that. So I'll just get another one. This is a digital bathroom scale that I got. It's from Valley Total Fitness. I got a lot of their things at Ross, so they're pretty cool. How much was this scale? This was this was $10. $10 from Ross. My sister found this. That's why I don't remember how much it cost. So it's $10. And this is gonna be easy for me to put in the bathroom for me to just weigh myself to know how much I weigh. Anytime I start getting to a certain overweight amount, I realize how like I don't feel well. It's groggy. Like I can't work I can't talk. I can't wake up like easy like I used to, and it just is not. I don't feel well overall. Like my joints hurts, like things like that. So I know it's too much weight. So we're gonna go on this fun little journey. I'm gonna weigh myself to show you guys. I'm gonna do it again on here. I'll show you guys pictures, like my current pictures of what I look like as well. Like I'll show you guys what I started with and I'll have them on my website. By the way, I'm gonna have a whole page on my website to show you guys. It's gonna be dedicated to like weight loss, like everything I'm doing. And I'll also write blogs about different things. And so you guys will have access to all the research I'm doing. I'm just going to post it. I'll have the link down below. It's gonna be on my website. So just go on the blog and read all that. I'll have all the information. Everything I'm gonna be using is going to be posted on there. All the sheets, template, everything I do, it's all for free. Go on my website. I just want you guys to have access to it as much as I do. Now that I have more time, I have more resources, let's say, to commit to getting healthy again, and I am going to make the most out of it. So I can't wait to show you guys. So let's get started. and start walking. Realize doing social media. It's so sweet we have climbing the stairways. All right, it is still super early, but I am done. All tests done. Waiting for the results. I'm doing this, guys, because I can't wait to start. Like, I need to get back in shape. Saw my weight today was a lot, but I'll show you guys all the result and go through everything I'm gonna do. But I get to have the rest of my day, the day for myself. I'm gonna chill after all this, so I'm gonna go home and eat. We're going shopping to Whole Foods. Brought my own bags. I missed it. I love it. But it's exciting. That's how they get like really good shots, yeah. Here we go.